Alright, all the slides and bits are soaking in a little bit of hot water and GPC, general purpose cleaner. So let's take this one apart and see what kind of fun stuff's in here. Remember how this one goes back together. That's why I have video. Oops. Dirty motor. That was burlap. Stuff gets everywhere. Oop. Slightly corroded. Moisture everywhere in this seat. It's a 3-foot screw. Jeez, let go. Alright, there we go. Let me grab a brush. This one to go ahead and come out. Water's been in there. I see some rust on some things. That's not good. Paint gear. Why do you not want to come out? That's the same crappy design the other one was. Yep. Oop. With the retaining plate. It's a little rusty. It's just surface rust. It should be fine. can do something about that surface rust on that though. This is exposed. This part sits in the track. Yeah, most of it's wiping off, so we can clean that up pretty easily. Spread a little converter on it, let it do its thing, and stop it from corroding anymore. It looks worn though. Let's see, I am going to clean these out and drop these in with the other parts and let them soak in the cleaner. Let's see, there is one. There's the other one right there. These little bearing plates, thrust washers, whatever you want to call them. Ooh, that's a little rusty in there. That one is seized right there. I can't even turn it. Mushroom the end of it. Let me get my file. When you drag the file of it lightly, you can see it change color to really bright silver. And if it's flat, then it should go all the way across the area when you strike across it. Yeah, a little surface rust locked it in there. Oh, there's a bevel right there. It's not supposed to be. It's on the flats of the tooth. There we go. This is going to be fun getting back together. I'll get to straighten all the angles. Alright. That's freed up. That looks good. This needs to be degreased a little bit. Battery died on me. Come on. I got the charging cable plugged up now. Alright, so this goes in. Actually, we need that plate. It's not right. I go the other way. There we go. Let's take this one apart, see what we're in for. Reassembly time. Let's go see if it works. Get all greased up and nice and gooey inside there. Sounds good.